Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing a pair of wireless earbuds. Now these retail for about $22 at their link in the description. These are ANC headphones on a budget. So they're less than 25 bucks and we're going to see if they're actually worth it if you don't want to pay a high price for say AirPods or something like that. Now these do actually kind of look similar to AirPod Pros, so if you kind of like that pencil style look, then these are your go-tos. On the back of the box it does claim that these have 4 mics, uplink with noise cancellation, superior sound, it has an ergonomic fit, it has ANC obviously, and we're going to see how the battery life is as well. Alright, getting into it. All blue box. Pretty nice presentation overall so far. Alright, getting into it. Okay, so I guess this is your user manual stuff. Yeah, looks like you have user manual and 24 months of free warranty, 14 days to activate it. You get a user manual. Very clear instructions. You have some silicone tips here, I'm presuming large and small. And then you also have a charging cable, USB Type-C to USB-A. And right here are the earbuds. And that's everything you get. So pretty simple. So here are the earbuds. They do feel like the Axiom X2s or a bit of the A1s from Viatool. So that's what they look like. They do have a green LED indicator right there. Very similar to AirPod Pros. The grill is very visible. It doesn't look like it has a mesh on it as well. It's just like straight right there. So we're gonna see how that sounds. It does have some pull tabs here for the contact pins. So let's put them back in the case. So far I can already tell these are kind of hard to put in the case. All right, so they should pop up once I open this. About 5 seconds-ish, and then we should be able to just connect it. Yep, they are connected now. Put them in our ear. They have a pretty good seal. Well, actually, they don't look that bad. They're pretty light too. So the right earbud, triple tapping is the method to turn on, off, or whatever, to change the modes basically. So right now we have ANC on, and nope, does not do a good job at all. Transparency, it does. I mean, it does a little bit of a good job. I can definitely tell I have like a microphone type of voice, so it's not doing a pretty good job on that. You can definitely hear, but there's also a hissing in the background, so I don't know what that's about. So they definitely don't have nowhere near as close as AirPod Pro features, obviously, and that's not what I was expecting, but it still wasn't that good. When you have ANC on or normal, it sounds exactly the same. When you have noise transparency or ambient sound on, it doesn't really lower the volume of the music. When you're in ambient mode, you can obviously hear your surroundings a lot better, but this one, like you have to really focus on hearing that to be able to hear it. Nowhere near as close as AirPod Pros, obviously, but they definitely do look a whole lot like them. So they definitely got their inspiration from them. They're a little bit more chunkier, but they do definitely look super similar. Very, very similar. I will have another pair of earbuds coming soon, so stay tuned for more earbud videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.